Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can activate domains on your Squarespace website. So let's get right into it. Now, there are two variations of this process. One is if you are using a domain from another hosting service, and the other one is if you're trying to buy a domain through Squarespace itself, and I'm going to show you guys both. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is go into the settings menu of your site. This is located over here. Just click on the cog icon at the bottom of the menu, then go into domains and email, click on domains. And as I've mentioned here, you have these two options. Now you will have a built-in domain, which you will be able to use for free with your site. Every site needs to have a built-in domain first, but as I mentioned, you can get a domain or use a domain you own. If you click use a domain you own, you need to enter your email address and then go through the entire process, edit the DNS records of any service you're using, etc., to actually transfer the domain fully. And if you click get a domain, you can then go ahead and purchase a domain from Squarespace. And as you can see, there are a lot of offers, and here, as you'll see, you have some discounts depending on the time and depending on the actual URL. So you can buy whichever of these domains you would like, and then it'll immediately activate on Squarespace itself. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.